you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update video. So it's a huge update that happened, and as you guys can tell from the title, I am an EDEN BodyWorks Ambassador for the class of 2020. What does that mean, guys? I'm going to get into the nitty-gritty, but first make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell so you're notified every single time I post a video. Share this video with your friends, comment down below, get your girl up to more people's channels, more people's feeds. Make sure you do all these things so our content in our channel begins to grow. We grow our Z crew and we become more family based. All the people that supported me, thank you so much for supporting me for all this time, and I'm glad to have you here. And yeah, let's get into the good news of me being the EDEN BodyWorks Ambassador and what that means for this channel. So if you are following me on Instagram at _naturallyxandra, you already heard the good news. But if you guys don't follow me on there, you might want to follow me on there so that way you will get first alert of things like this when your girl gets ambassadorships and in the future sponsorships and when I become my first millionaire within my family. But you guys, EDEN BodyWorks is a Black-owned company that makes a lot of products for Black women and women with curly hair, whatever type of hair really, but really concentrated in type 4 hair. And I'm so excited to have this opportunity. I'm literally so ecstatic. When I first heard the news, I was like gushing like hard. Like my fiance was on the toilet and I was like, babe, I got it. And he was so excited for me. I was so excited for myself. I shared it on my social media. I'm gonna post that now. But yeah, I am so excited for what the future holds. Basically what this means for my channel will be that I will be able to bring you high quality videos in terms of me trying out their products,
me reviewing their products, me doing tutorials with their products, me doing first impressions with their products, me unboxing their products, me doing hauls with their products.
You get the picture, because you know your girl do hauls, tutorials, product reviews, first impressions, protective styles, all that good stuff. So you guys will still get all that content and you'll still get a mixture of multiple different products. Your girl will be active on the EDEN BodyWorks tip. I can't wait to try out some products from them. And I'm ecstatic for this step towards me being a full-time content creator. Yeah, I love what I do. I love like creating videos for you guys. I want to show you more of me. I want to show you more of my personality, the good heart that I have. I want to show you more. Thank you guys for supporting me on this journey. YouTube has been an uphill battle. I know I'm going to go up from here, but it's really hard with YouTube, guys. Instagram a little easier, but YouTube is hard. I got this opportunity from posting a video on Instagram, and I entered my submission, and all of my Instagram fam supported me. They put nice loving comments, so thank you so much to them. And yeah, that's the good news I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what products you want me to review from EDEN BodyWorks, or, you know, better yet, would you want to see, what type of video would you want to see the most? Would you want to see product reviews, product hauls, product hair tutorials, first impressions? Which category would you want to see more on my channel? Let me know. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one.